Alright, this is something I picked up from Lowe's today. It's a Black+Decker Dust Buster Advanced Clean. I think it's the 10.8-Volt, I believe. Doesn't say on here, but I believe that's what it is. And I bought it for the stairs so that I could sweep the stairs better instead of using that Dyson. Whoops. So I'll test this thing out. It was actually pretty reasonable. I mean, there were some on there that were didn't have the battery, didn't come with it, or the charger. This came with the battery and the charger. Manual. It actually didn't say on Lowe's website if it came with a battery. It said it came with a charger. So I live chatted them, and their live chat's pretty good because it's just you just text message. So looks like it's just charged like that. Some of them had the battery that detaches, so this one just plugs in and charges. I thought it came with the battery, but no, that's perfect. So I'm probably going to let it charge up and then kind of like do a demo on it and see how it works on the steps. When I get on the carpet, I can use that to clean the steps a lot easier than that Dyson. It's really heavy. So I'll report back and see how it cleans. Should work pretty good. It's small. It's got a nice suction thing with a brush on the bottom. Brush flips up. That's cool. And this is so you can mount it on the wall. So I'll find somewhere to mount that up. So, alright, cool. Everything looks good.